New Hampshire now has 2 days in a row of zero new COVID-19 hospitalizations and continues to experience relatively lower levels of community transmission. But state epidemiologist Dr. Benjamin Chan says now is not the time to give in to pandemic fatigue.
Honestly, I think we're all feeling tired of this pandemic. I want to acknowledge that fact. And tired, frankly, of the impact that it's had on our families and our communities and our society. But COVID-19, the pandemic, is not over.
Governor Chris Sununu announced Tuesday that the projected revenue shortfall for the general fund is at $538 million over the next 2 years. He's instructing department heads to implement cost-saving measures while eyeing potential relief from Washington.
Eliminating discretionary spending, at least until we see what might come out of the federal government. Putting a hold on any new capital projects that might be beginning in the next month or so. Let's just put a hold on that. Doesn't mean we're canceling the projects, but we're just trying to be smart with our cash management.
Meantime, data from 2 rounds of sentinel surveillance testing in the state's hard-hit long-term care facilities is coming in. So far, 15 asymptomatic cases have been identified.
What that does is it helps us catch it early. We're not saying that transmission does not happen, but it certainly will lessen the amount of transmission when we catch it early.
One update from a story from last month. Dr. Chan says the state's lone case of COVID-related multi-system inflammatory syndrome in a child has been discharged from the hospital, so that child apparently recovering. For more now on the pandemic and the message to youth, let's go live to Tyler Dumont.
Well, Adam, both the state epidemiologist and the governor today expressed concern regarding the recent surge among young people testing positive for the virus in states outside of New England. Now, some of those states include Florida, Ohio, and Arizona, where cases have been surging in recent weeks among people in their 20s, 30s, and 40s following the reopening of places like bars, stores, and restaurants. Those types of businesses have also now reopened here in New Hampshire, but at this point, Granite Staters under the age of 50 account for less than 3% of the state's total COVID-19 cases. Officials today again urged Granite Staters to keep taking the right precautions to protect the most vulnerable.
It's really about individual responsibility, no matter what the age. Responsibility on the part of parents and their children, teenagers themselves, younger adults, older adults. Everybody has a role for helping to control the COVID-19 pandemic.
And on that note of personal responsibility, the governor today also saying that there is a, quote, emphasis of the message to people, particularly those ages 15 to 35. Reporting live in Concord, Tyler Dumont, WMUR News 9.